Man, what you doing?
What the hell? Wrong video! Welcome to Crimewatch UK, starring Rob Wallace and Chris Taylor is the victim.
I want my face.
Good afternoon. Here we are on Crimewatch UK. We're here to tell a shocking story about this guy, Chris Taylor, who got mauled and kicked off a train at 100 miles per hour by a drunk who also happened to support City. What a coincidence! This guy loved City. He really loved City. Not this big, but
This big.
he really did.
Really loved City.
Really loved City. Anyway, to the reconstruction. It was just a normal trip to Manchester. Chris, me, and Jordo. He's there. But then, it happened. The amazing, shocking true story of how Chris Taylor, this guy, almost got killed by a drunk. This guy. Let's go.
City. What team do you support, mate?
City. Fucking hell, this is scary. This guy, this is Chris Taylor. Hi, Chris. Hi.
Who's you support?
The United.
United? Tosser. Fucking scum. Fucking scum. They all come from fucking London because all you want is a win. You're not a good football fan. A good football fan, you'd be for City. City for life, mate. All people from Manchester come from City.
What's this?
You fucking cunt. You fucking ripped up, well done.
Check this out.
Fucking cunt. You know, I've been to jail. Just got out today.
You
From
in
London.
jail?
Yeah.
How does a respectable member of the community, such as this, he drinks Fosters? How does such a guy go to jail? He said he'd been to jail a few times.
Ah, shit, I tell you. Look, the Royal United fans down there in London, fucking blasting, enjoying that. Enjoying it.
No, it's not the sort of stuff that I, you know.
You gay?
Yes, I'm gay.
Fucking numb it. Keep it. This is mine. No, sorry. Got another good way to go. Yeah. Yeah, I've been in jail for ASBO. I'm a pisshead, you see. My teeth have gone.
You recorded me?
No. Shit! No!
You can keep it. Put it in my bag then.
Yeah, I like that. Oh, we're back. Here we go. Crimewatch UK with me, Rob Wallace, and this victim here, Chris Taylor. That was a true story of how it happened. It happened just like that. The cameraman, Jordan Nymonger. He has a shocking resemblance to the guy who attacked Chris Taylor. Him.
Would you believe he was in prison? Serious.
Really?
He was in prison.
I can't believe it.
He had an ASBO at the age of 46.
Yes, he did. Now, what if you're scared about anything you've seen? We don't really care. So, goodbye.
If you have any complaints about the appearances on this show, please contact 0800 Suck My Dick.